Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable commenting under your posts or under your blog in Wix. So what you want to do is just be simple in Wix, and you just want to click on posts, like click edit, and when you're gonna do it, you're gonna click on settings, and then you're gonna see enable commenting. So choose to disable commenting. If you disable, exit commenting will be still displayed. But this is how you can simply do it. So again, you are in Wix, and you just click here and click edit. And when you're gonna be here, click on settings and disable commenting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works, and yeah. Goodbye.